Hey viewers, and in this episode, I suppose there are going to be some tricks and some tips on how to make an essay slash a book report. But we'll first start off with an essay. First, you have to decide what your topic is going to be. If you've already decided what your topic is going to be, I suggest making a good alteration. Like, for an example, I'll do honey. An alteration for honey would be, hello, honey. I don't know. Or something like that, if you know what I mean. So if I was going to do a title on honey, I put hello, honey. And I first would start off with an introduction about what I would want to teach my viewers in this essay, or aka the people who I want to, or my teacher who will want to show in this essay. So I first start off with something that would get my reader interested. Honey, I would give a fun fact about it that would really make the teacher or somebody who's ever reading your essay get interested into it, which will pull them right back in. But I also suggest a perfect picture. Pictures always look amazing, and if they look amazing, people get interested into the topic. And they just might read your book a little bit more than you think they would. But your introduction has to be nice and warm and somewhat welcoming. But make sure that you have an understanding and you don't tell them your evidence. Your evidence and your reasoning comes in your second, your third, how many evidence and reasoning paragraphs that you want to do. I suggest taking more researching into it and suggesting good websites for you to go to. I suggest Britannica. It's a nice and good website that you should totally take a look at because it's really nice. And National Geographic if you want to put in some facts on bees, on honey, because bees drink their pollen from honey and they need honey. But also some really fun facts. You can always just search them up, and if you want some quotes, I suggest you go to some websites and they can help you out a lot. And yeah, pretty much. Next, for a book report, I would suggest you get everything started. First, you must decide what your topic is. The most important thing that if you're ever doing an essay or if you're ever doing a book report is your topic. Whenever you want to think about your book report topic, you want to think about, my intro. I want to make the reader interested in the book. I want to give them a good kind of short story on it, pretty much. So first you start off with the title of the book, and then I guess you below write the author's name, a nice cover picture of it, and explain, I suggest in some parts you introduce it, tell the readers what it's about, and show whether if it has some humor or if it has a lot of mystery. You can even add some quotes and just show the reader why you think it's super interesting, but also give them your opinion and the author's opinion. So I suggest looking more into the book than you think that you should, but also taking a look, is it first person, is it second person, is it third person? That kind of normal stuff that you would have to check in your everyday, usual essay. And those are some tips and some tricks. But another way that you can just take a look at it is always ask a parent or a teacher what they think about the essay, and then, or just even a friend, and then submit it. You just will get you just might get the good grade that you were hoping for. Bye viewers, see you later.